iSocorb. Let's talk about the iSocorb, the innovative thermal insulation elements that resemble oversized microchips, designed to revolutionize the way builders manage thermal breaks. These advanced components are essential for minimizing thermal bridges between critical structures, such as balconies and parapets, ensuring superior energy efficiency in construction. iSocorb elements excel in providing effective thermal insulation, making them ideal for use in earthquake-prone areas where stability and performance are paramount. With their robust design, they offer builders and architects nearly limitless possibilities in construction applications. A notable example of iSocorb's capabilities can be seen in the luxurious Tasson Door complex in Belgium, where these thermal insulation elements support an impressive 122 balconies. Reviews from designers and engineers consistently highlight iSocorb as an excellent choice for balconies extending up to 3 meters, showcasing their effectiveness and versatility in modern architecture. With iSocorb, you can achieve both aesthetic appeal and energy efficiency, creating structures that stand the test of time. EasyStone. Introducing EasyStone, a revolutionary paving solution that blends traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. This system starts with natural stone sourced from Brazil, expertly processed by skilled artisans. The innovation lies in combining this stunning stone with plastic mesh, resulting in durable paving blocks that offer both charm and functionality. While EasyStone may come at a premium, with basalt priced around $85 per square meter, its versatility makes it a worthy investment. These blocks are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring that every space can benefit from their beauty. Incredibly durable, they can support the weight of vehicles without losing integrity. With a variety of shapes, colors, and thicknesses available, incorporating EasyStone into your design is simple. Whether enhancing your driveway, patio, or interior floors, this innovative paving solution provides the perfect mix of style and strength for any project. MyMiniGlass. MyMiniGlass brings a nostalgic touch to home decor with its vibrant glass blocks. These blocks are not just decorative. Their simple installation means even kids can join in the fun. Beyond aesthetics, they offer impressive sound insulation, making them perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or bedrooms. Forget about worries related to stains or scratches. These blocks are built to last and maintain their beauty. Available in various colors, MyMiniGlass adds a splash of brightness to any space, transforming the familiar into something extraordinary. Plus, they're 100% recyclable, enhancing the ecological footprint of the manufacturer. While some users prefer ready-made elements over individual blocks, a set of 6 blocks measuring 6 by 6 by 3 inches can be yours for around $100. Embrace the charm of MyMiniGlass and redefine your home decor with this delightful blend of functionality and flair. ShockTronsole. Meet ShockTronsole, a cutting-edge noise insulation solution designed to bring peace and quiet to apartment living. This German innovation focuses on reducing the noise generated by staircases, a common issue in multi-story buildings. By isolating the staircase from the rest of the structure, Tronsole ensures that the noise doesn't travel through the rebar and concrete, creating a more serene environment for residents. The Type B version of Tronsole is particularly impressive, as it lowers impact noise levels to around 33 decibel, about twice as quiet as a running washing machine. When compared to similar products, Tronsole outperforms them by approximately 10 decibel, making it one of the most effective soundproofing solutions on the market. Whether it's for standard or spiral staircases, Tronsole's insulation works seamlessly, even for joints up to 50 mm wide. This versatile and efficient system is a game changer for builders looking to offer high-quality, noise-insulated living spaces. DuraSystem. Introducing the DuraSystem, where innovative engineering meets reliability in drainage and water supply solutions. Operating 24/7, Steinzoi Kuramo plants are dedicated to helping customers tackle their drainage challenges efficiently. This company excels in manufacturing components specifically designed for the repair and reconstruction of sewage systems. One of their standout products is the use of polymer concrete and polyceramic blocks, which effectively strengthen tunnel walls, pipes, and sewers, especially in confined spaces. The DuraCl elements, made from fiberglass reinforced plastic, are seamlessly integrated into collectors and various parts of the drainage network. What sets these solutions apart is their remarkable longevity, boasting a lifespan of approximately 100 years. Furthermore, many of these blocks are fully recyclable at the end of their life cycle, making them not only durable, but also environmentally friendly. With DuraSystem, you can trust that your drainage needs are met with the highest standards of quality and sustainability. Build and lift. Imagine passing by a construction site in the morning, seeing a roof on the ground, and then, by the time you return in the evening, the roof is already in place and builders are working on the walls. It's not magic, it's the build and lift method, invented by New Zealand carpenter Neil Joseph Cott. This innovative technique was designed to enhance safety on construction sites and has significantly advanced the entire industry. With build and lift, workers can raise a roof covering up to 300 square meters in just a day. The need for scaffolding and protective nets is greatly reduced, and the risk of working at heights is minimized. It's a game changer in improving construction efficiency and safety. What do you think of this revolutionary method? Skull PT Form Click-On Cladding. Discover the innovative click-on cladding by Skull PT Form, a revolutionary solution designed for both interior and exterior applications. This versatile cladding system seamlessly combines the classic tongue and groove technique with a modern click-on connection, simplifying installation even for those without specialized skills. With this unique connection method, gone are the days of struggling with traditional screws, making it a breeze for anyone to achieve a professional finish. Designers love the modularity of click-on cladding, as it opens up endless possibilities for creativity in design. Crafted from durable aluminum, some variants of the cladding are treated to mimic the look of natural wood. This treatment not only enhances aesthetics, but also provides exceptional durability, making it 3 times more resistant to fading than comparable products. Even upon close inspection, the quality and finish remain impressive. Whether you're enhancing a cozy interior space or a striking exterior facade, Skull PT Form's click-on cladding is the ideal choice for stylish and practical design solutions. Wooden joists. In this tutorial, we explore the craftsmanship involved in handcrafting wooden joists. The craftsman selected a beam measuring 200 by 50 centimeter to create a strong and reliable truss system. With a maximum span of 4.5 meters, the design focuses on durability and strength, ensuring that the joists can support significant loads. To enhance the stability of the structure, the craftsman expanded the bearing surface, distributing the load more effectively across the beams. As part of the preparation, the beams were treated with a special antimicrobial compound, ensuring protection against moisture, pests, and decay before assembly. This attention to detail guarantees the long-term resilience of the joists, making them a reliable choice for various construction projects. Sembla. Introducing Sembla, the innovative building system designed to transform the construction industry. Much like the famous Lego toy, Sembla blocks are modular and can easily connect and disconnect, offering limitless potential for creating customizable structures. These blocks can be reused multiple times, making them a sustainable and efficient option for modern construction projects. Each Sembla block is crafted using approximately 20% recycled materials, with low-carbon geopolymer-based concrete as its core component. Despite their eco-friendly design, these blocks have an impressive compressive strength of 80 megapascals, enabling the construction of residential buildings up to 13 meters high. With sustainability and durability at the forefront, Sembla is an excellent solution for building eco-friendly homes, offices, and other structures. Would you consider using these innovative blocks for your next construction project? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Permatherm. Next up, we have Permatherm panels from the United States. These versatile panels have been used in a wide range of environments, from keeping ice cream perfectly frozen in the heat of Miami to providing insulation in affordable housing projects worldwide. They've even helped gold miners stay warm above the Arctic Circle. Their adaptability makes them a standout in both residential and commercial projects. There's no hidden magic behind their design. The panels are made of a metal shell filled with either styrofoam or mineral wool, with options to upgrade based on the customer's needs. For instance, you can add a special protective layer to withstand frequent washing, or select from a variety of colors. The thickness of the insulation varies, offering up to 10 inches of styrofoam or 4 inches of mineral wool for optimal temperature control. To complement the panels, a variety of accessories are available, such as ceiling fasteners and tapes. Today, you can even purchase entire buildings made from Permatherm panels online, making it an accessible and flexible solution for many projects. Augustin Bridge. Insert. In an impressive engineering feat, German construction workers accomplished a remarkable project between April 2016 and March 2017. They successfully installed a 1,200-ton tunnel beneath a railroad track with incredible precision. The process, known as the Augustin Bridge insert, relied on advanced engineering techniques, including the use of 16 powerful hydraulic systems and steel beams as temporary rails. The tunnel, measuring 35 by 15 by 7 meters, moved smoothly for 23 meters into its final position with near-perfect accuracy. This accomplishment is a testament to the builder's exceptional skill and the sophisticated technology employed. It's a great example of innovation meeting practicality in large-scale construction, showcasing how such complex tasks can be completed with both speed and precision. Perry Duo. Perry is a leading name in the scaffolding and formwork market, known for its high-quality products used in the construction of iconic landmarks like the Cuatro Torres business area in Spain and the Zoltoy Bridge in Russia. One of Perry's most popular solutions worldwide is the Duo formwork, made from polymer. This material doesn't rust or absorb moisture, offering strength and durability for reuse on various projects. Duo is significantly lighter than steel or wooden alternatives, making it easier to handle and work with. It is capable of supporting the pouring of slabs up to 30 centimeters thick, providing a reliable and efficient formwork solution. Zella Weitong. Next up is Zella Weitong, the company behind autoclaved aerated concrete AAC blocks, which provide both structural support and thermal insulation. These blocks combine low thermal conductivity with high load-bearing capacity, making them ideal for construction. Weitong blocks are capable of constructing buildings up to 5 stories tall without additional insulation. They offer impressive speed, allowing builders to erect walls for a 94 square meter house in just 1 day, 68% faster than traditional bricklaying methods. The blocks are also easy to cut, drill, and shape, offering flexibility on site. In addition, they have excellent frost and fire resistance, making them durable in various conditions. Most importantly, they are eco-friendly and non-toxic, making them a sustainable choice for modern construction. Thermosolio. No construction video would be complete without discussing formwork, and today we're diving into Thermosolio formwork panels. These innovative panels, made from polyene foam, make slabs approximately 120 kilograms per square meter lighter than traditional ones. This significantly reduces the load on the foundation while also making transportation and handling around the site much easier. For those looking for an eco-friendly option, Thermosolio Plus panels are produced using only renewable resources, providing a sustainable choice for construction projects. Additionally, customers can choose the size of the panels, and a small team of just 2 people is often enough to handle installation. These features make Thermosolio panels a practical, lightweight, and environmentally conscious solution for modern construction. Safety Respect Flex Working Platform. The Safety Respect Flex Working Platform is a game changer for roofing and facade work. It is faster and easier to install than traditional scaffolding, especially for buildings with unconventional shapes, such as circular structures. Once the platform is set up, workers can move across the steel sheet walkways with ease. The design features two key safety aspects. First, tools or fasteners won't fall through, and second, the platform's relatively high guardrails create a protective barrier that reaches about shoulder height, ensuring added security while working at heights. Mason's Enviro AAC. Mason's Enviro AAC offers a non-load bearing partition wall system designed to provide enhanced fire resistance and sound insulation. These walls are made from autoclaved air-activated concrete panels, a lightweight material that works efficiently even in frame houses. For comparison, a traditional brick partition is twice as heavy, especially once fully furnished with drywall. In contrast, Mason's Enviro AAC partitions are just 29 centimeters thick, yet deliver excellent performance. These partitions have been successfully tested in buildings up to 10 meters high, proving that they significantly improve fire resistance and sound insulation. This makes them an ideal choice for modern construction, offering both sustainability and practical advantages for residential and commercial projects. Framehouse Elevator Shaft. Framehouse is known for its expertise in prefabricated wooden homes, overseeing every stage from design to assembly. With over 2,000 completed projects in their portfolio, they decided to apply this trusted technology to build their own office space. This resulted in a 4-story wooden masterpiece covering an impressive 4,656 square meters. The building houses both production facilities and office spaces. And what's even more remarkable is that Framehouse built the elevator shaft entirely out of wood. Standing at 14.5 meters tall, this innovative design not only showcases their craftsmanship, but also highlights the beauty and potential of wooden construction. How long do you think it'll stand the test of time? Share your thoughts.